दीपक के साथ अभी अभी क्लैरिटी कॉल कंप्लीट किया और दीपक इज 45 years old. ही इज इन अ जॉब एंड हैज अ वाइफ एंड अ सन. सो अपेरेंटली दीपक की लाइफ तो परफेक्ट लगती है बाहर से, बट दीपक इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. सो द करंट challenges that Deepak is facing are a lot of anxiety. He is not progressing well at work and he is not satisfied with his family relationships. He also does not have much social relationships also. So when we did the life audit call, we realized that anxiety के जो symptoms हैं वो है muscle twitching, palpitations, stomach growling, that is digestive issues also, and at the same time there is a peculiar kind of a cough. So जितना anxious दीपक feel करते हैं उतनी बार उनको एक अजीब तरीके की खांसी आती है. I mean this is a new symptom that I have realized in my journey. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जब हमने लाइफ ऑडिट कॉल किया तो समझ में आया कि ये सारी चीज़ें, ये डिससेटिस्फैक्शन क्यों है. तो हमने चाइल्डहुड में जाके उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस चेक किया एंड वी रियलाइज दैट दीपक हैड अ वेरी अग्रेसिव, वेरी एंग्री फादर. द फादर यूज्ड टू बीट द मदर ऑल्सो. द मदर वॉज एब्सोल्युटली सबमिसिव एंड इवन दीपक वॉज बीटन अप बाय द फादर सेवरल टाइम्स. Deepak also had a difficult school experience where he was also beaten up by the school principal once. Now we understand that having such experiences in childhood तो होगा क्या. दीपक का self confidence खत्म हो गया. दीपक was grew up with a lot of self doubt and self critical approach. So अपने ही बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा critical होना. This made Deepak hyper vigilant, leading to perfectionism approach कि मुझे तो हर काम perfectly करना है. The fear of rejection came in and hence he is procrastinating. That is why he has missed a lot of promotions at work, because of which he is not satisfied with his job as well. He missed a lot of opportunities where he was invited by other companies. He applied there also, but then due to the fear of rejection, he could not take the process forward. Now imagine if childhood experiences have that power to block you from living a fulfilling life, then what we need to do is, this is what we have crafted for Deepak as a journey. We are going to work on his emotions like guilt, fear, anxiety, sadness, resentment that is coming from the past childhood experiences. He is supposed to forgive a lot of people, including himself. His wife is apparently very, very cooperative but still suffering in the relationship. For that, he needs to work on his personality traits as well, on his habits as well. Okay? And all of this will be made possible only when he heals himself from the past childhood experiences. Now we have crafted a beautiful journey for Deepak, and Deepak has thankfully taken this decision for himself that he wants to transform himself so that he can transform his life and he can do justice to his wife and his son, because the trauma can stop with us. We have to make that choice, and Deepak made that choice for himself. Are you willing to make that choice for yourself? Do you choose yourself? If yes, you do not need to struggle anymore in your current challenges. Just click on the link around this video or go to the Insta bio and check the clarity call link over there. Connect with us and let us sit down for your life audit. Do this for yourself. Choose yourself and love yourself. Your world begins with you.